Evaluate double integration y dx dy where R is region bounded by y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Now this is the topic when limits are not given but the region is given. Now first we have to find the region. Now equation in regions are y is equal to x square. Power of y is equal to x square, it is equation of parabola. Symmetric with which axis? Y axis, because power of x is even. When power of x is even, symmetry is with y axis. It is parabola symmetric about y axis. Then second equation is y is equal to x. It is a straight line passing through first and third quadrant with angle 45 degree. Y is positive and x is positive, therefore this is only in first quadrant. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. All the coordinates are positive, therefore the figure is in first quadrant, positive quadrant. Now we have to find here point of intersection. Without points we cannot draw figure. Point of intersection. Now take any one easy equation. Suppose we take first y is equal to x. Put y is equal to x in equation y is equal to x square. Value of y is x. X is equal to x square. Now don't cancel here x. Take equation, that is x square minus x is equal to 0. From this x is common. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. These are x coordinate. Value of x only. X is 0 and x is 1. Now for these values of x, we have to find y also. Now for x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0 in this y is equal to x, you will get y is equal to also 0. X is 0 and y is 0. When x is equal to 1, put y is equal to x value is 1, therefore y is equal to also 1. X coordinate is 1 and y is also 1. That means there are points of intersections are first coordinate is x is 0, y is 0. Second coordinate is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. 0, 0 and 1, 1. This 1 is 1, 1 are positive. So these are, the figure is, or the region is in first quadrant because coordinates are positive, plus 1 and 0, 0. Now we have to draw this figure. Parabola. Now the figure is only in first quadrant, therefore I am taking only first quadrant here. First is equation of parabola which is symmetric with y-axis. Symmetric with y-axis. Parabola. Figures are fixed. Symmetry with y-axis, the equation is y is equal to x square. And the straight line which is passing through first and third quadrant and making angle this 45 degree. This is x-axis, y-axis. The figure is in first quadrant, therefore the figure region is only in first quadrant, because the point of intersection, first point is 0, 0, that is origin, and where the line and parabola intersect, this is 1, 1 point, where the points intersect. Point intersection is 1, 1. This is plus 1, plus 1. Suppose not exact figure. This is the region of double integration. Now we are solving here by using vertical strip. In this region, take vertical strip. This is a vertical strip. This strip is moving. This strip is moving strip, movable strip, and this is also flexible strip. Now how to find inner limits? Inner limits. At both end of the strip, values of y at both end of the strip. Just remember this. Means first end of the strip, lower end of the strip. Lower end is on parabola, and on parabola value of y is x square. So this is x square is lower limit because it is lower end of the strip. Inner limits, values of y at both end of the strip. Lower end of the strip, value of y is x square. Upper end of the strip, value of y is x. Value of y is already x. Both end of the strip, take values of y for inner limits. Now first lower end means lower limit, that is x square, and upper end means upper limit, that is x. Means inner limits are from x square to x. Then outer limits. Outer limits means x coordinates of starting and end point in movement of the strip. In movement of the strip. Now this strip is flexible and this movement is from in this direction from left to right. It is a flexible strip, therefore at first it will start from 0, 0. The starting point is 0, 0 and it moves towards one point, that point is called as end point. That means this strip covers this total area that is in region. That means the starting point is 0 0 and end point is 1 1. Outer limits means x coordinate of starting and end point in moment of the step. Now in starting point x coordinate is 0. That means this first coordinate is 0. At the end point the first x coordinate is 1, and therefore the limits of outer limits are from 0 to 1. Inner limits means values of y at both end of the strip. Y is equal to x square, the lower limit is x square. Y is equal to x, upper limit is x. Outer limits are always constant. Outer limits means x coordinate of starting point. Starting point is 0 0, so x coordinate is 0, and end point x coordinate is 1. Therefore outer limits are from 0 to 1. Now we have to take these limits to solve integration. Outer limits 0 to 1, inner limits from x square to x, y, dx, dy. The integration is y dx dy. Inner limits in terms of x, inner limits functions of x, therefore first integrate with respect to y, because their x term is absent, therefore no need of x is constant. First integrate with respect to y only, then integration is 0 to 1. First we have to integrate 0 x square to x, integration of y dy, dy first, then outside dx. Now here integrate the terms only in bracket. Integration 0 to 1, integration of y is y square by 2 and limits x square to x dx. Now put limits, y is equal to x upper limit and y is equal to x square lower limit, then 0 to 1. First limit is x, so y is equal to x, but here is y square, then x square by 2. First upper limit minus lower limit, y is equal to x square and its bracket square by 2 dx. And this 1/2 can be constant. 1/2 integration 0 to 1, then x square minus x square and bracket square is x raised to 4 dx. This completed with respect to y. First integrate with respect to y, then we put limits, then you will get only the terms which are only in x. Therefore then integrate with respect to x. Half integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 by 5, limit 0 to 1, upper limit is 1, x is equal to 1, and lower limit is x is equal to 0, then 1/2. 1 cube means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Lower limit is 0, therefore it is not written here. 3 and 5, LCM is 15. Cross multiplication 5 minus 3, that is 1/2. 2 by 15. 5 minus 2, 3 is 2. 2 by 15. 2 to cancel, that is answer is 1 by 15.